We have a simple question on the board, but it requires us to think. Only very few people can do this. A poster like this has an area of 432 square inches. The length x in inches of the poster is 6 inches longer than the width. Which of the following equations can be solved to determine the length x of the poster in inches? So assuming this is the poster, we are told that the length here is x and the width is 6 inches shorter than the length. So if the length is 6 inches longer than the width, it means that the width is 6 inches shorter than the length. So once you understand this, yeah, good to go. Obviously, the poster is rectangular in shape. So you draw the rectangle. Please note, this is where you may have a little challenge, or where you may have the answer wrong. We are told that the length is x and it's measured in inches. Then we are also told that the length is 6 inches longer than the width. So if the length is x, and you may be tempted to have x plus 6, this x plus 6 cannot be the width. We are told that the length is 6 inches longer than the width. We were given that the length is x. So x plus 6 cannot be the length or be the width. This cannot be. So in my explanation, if the length is x and we are told that the length is 6 inches longer than the width, that means the width is 6 inches shorter than the length, meaning that the length is 6 inches shorter than the width. Length is L, x in inches. The width here is x minus 6, not x plus 6. X minus 6 and it's inches. Then we are told that the area is 432. That means length times the width will give you 432. So the length x times the width, which is x minus 6, give you 432. Remember, we are looking for an equation that can be solved to give us the length of this rectangle. So this time, this will give you x squared minus 6x equals to 432. Check closely. One of this is correct. It's not this, not this, not this, but it's this. So x squared minus 6x equals to 432. That is the equation. But you can go ahead to solve this to actually know the length of the rectangle of the poster. So if we consider this, we can factorize this. X squared minus 6x equals to 432. So x squared minus 6x minus 432 equals to 0. Now the two numbers will be 18 and 24. 18 times 24 will give you 432. Now minus 18 plus 24 will give you plus this. So we're looking for, if I have minus 24 plus 18, that will be minus 6. So I can replace that with this. X squared minus 24x plus 18x minus 432 equals 0. By grouping, so x is common here, 18 is common here. That means x plus 18 or x, meaning that x is equal to minus 18 or 24. So we take the positive value. It means that the length of this poster was 24 inches. And we are told that the length is 6 inches longer than the width, meaning that If you subtract 6 from here, you will have the width. So that was the logic. And if you subtract 6 from here, you have 18. Check. Is 18 not, is 24 not 6 inches away from 18? So that's the answer. So option number, I think that was C, was the most appropriate answer for that. If you like more of this, share, like, and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.